Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Avid Media Composer for fast ingest and bin organization step by step clearly. Open Avid Media Composer and create a new project. Select the appropriate project format based on your footage. Go to File and choose New Bin. Name your bin according to the project or scene for better organization. Continue creating bins for different categories such as audio, video, and graphics. Select the main bin to store all related files and drag your created bins into it. Now, navigate to the Media Composer tab and select Settings. In the Settings window, choose Media Creation. Next, go to the User Settings. Adjust the default media location to ensure files are saved to a quick access drive. Once configured, return to your project bin. To ingest footage, right-click within the bin and select Import. Browse to your media files and choose the ones you want to import. In the import settings, make sure to match your project's frame rate in settings. Confirm the settings and begin the import process. After ingesting, organize your clips by naming them consistently. Use markers to label key sections of your clips for easy navigation. Utilize color coding for different types of media within your bins. If necessary, create sub-bins for additional organization, such as by date or event. Regularly review your bins to maintain order and ease of access. Finally, save your project to secure all changes made during configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.